your skin, okay, is made up of 60% of what you eat. 60% of what you eat. So hi, my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. And over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, and we also talk about skin concern, which we are going to be doing in this video. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button already, because you have a whole lot to learn from this channel. Okay, so in this very video we're going to be talking about white patches. If you have looked at your legs or your hands or your face and you are noticing these white dots, okay, appearing on your legs, appearing on your hands, appearing on your face, that is what is called white patches or white dots. Okay, in this video I'm going to be telling you the causes of white patches or the causes of white dots, and I'm going to be telling you how to treat it from the inside and also how to treat it from the outside. Okay, if this kind of video is kind of video that you're interested to watch, sit back and let's dive into the video. So the very first thing I want to tell you are the causes of white patches, how you got or how you can get white patches. The first cause of white patch can actually be genetics. It can be in your lineage, you know, something that is already in your family, and then it will gradually get to you. Okay, because something that is in your lineage, possibilities of you having it is very high. Okay, so some are genetics, okay, some you can get them from your family, and those ones are actually hard to even treat because it is already in your lineage, but that does not mean that you cannot still get rid of it. Okay, another cause of white patch is constant exposure to the UV rays that comes from the sun. The UV rays do not only give you sunburn or cause you to have sunburn, it can also lead you to have white patches on your legs or on your hands. Most of us, we are always under the sun, and we are under the sun without any sun protection. That is the sunscreen. Okay, you would expose your skin gradually every day under the sun without having any skin protection from the UV rays that comes from the sun. Okay, these UV rays will damage your skin barrier and then make your skin to be lighter, and from being lighter it will start forming the white pigmentation that will now come to the surface as what? White patches. Another cause of white patches can also be that you are bleaching your skin. You are using lightening products that are not good for your skin to use. These lightening products will now damage your skin barrier, damage your skin cell, and then start making your skin to produce white pigmentation that will now lead to you having white patches on the surface of your skin, maybe on your legs or on your hands. Another cause of this white patch can be aging. Okay, once someone is aging, once you are getting older, there are a lot of things that you can start facing. You can start facing wrinkles, you can start facing white patches. Okay, and this can actually be as a result of your age. We actually see this maybe in women that are 50 years and above. Okay, maybe 50, 60, 70. Most of them normally have white patches, and that is just normal because of their age. Okay, another cause of white patch can also be lack of vitamin D3 in your system. That is deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, once your body does not have vitamin D, or your body does not have enough vitamin D for you to function as a human being, you are going to have white patches. Now that I have known the causes, I'm going to tell you the products, the skincare products that you can use that can help you to get rid of these white patches that we're talking about today. Okay, now this is treating the white patch from the outside, because we're still going to talk about treating it from the inside. Remember that I am also a nutritionist. Okay, so the best ingredient for treating white patches is retinol. Okay, retinol is that one ingredient that improves skin turnover, cell turnover, helps to gently exfoliate your skin and give you a renewed skin, a skin that is fresh. And retinols can be found in products like Olay. Okay, I would advise that you get the Olay retinol body lotion and also the Olay retinol body wash. These two combo would help you to get rid of these white patches that we're talking about. But once you get these retinols, you don't use it every day. 3 times in a week is fine. Also, do not use it in the morning. Okay, retinol infused products are supposed to only be used at night. They are just the same like the vitamin C infused products that we normally use. Okay, so these retinol products would help to improve your cell turnover, help to improve your skin turnover, give you a fresher looking skin, and then the retinol will target those white patches and then gradually start fading it away, because it will keep renewing fresher skin day by day. So day by day, your new skin will keep evolving, and then the white patches will do what? Gradually be leaving your skin. The very next product that you can also get that would help to get rid of these white patches would have to be the Advanced Clinicals Retinol Body Lotion. This particular one contains retinol, and like I said in this particular routine, retinol is that one ingredient that would help to do what? Get rid of your white patches ASAP, like immediately. The next body lotion I'm going to recommend for you have to be the Medix Retinol Body Lotion, and this particular body lotion is very good because it is retinol infused, and it is suitable for those that their white patches is as a result of aging or sun exposure. Remember that I said that aging and sun exposure can cause you to have white patches on your skin. Okay, so now that we're talking about the body lotions and the products that you can actually use specifically on your skin, okay, to get rid of your white patches, the next thing I'm going to telling you is what to eat from the inside. Okay, because once you are not doing it the way you're supposed to do it, you're not going to see faster and effective results. The reason why most of you, your white patches are still on your skin even while you are still using the products that I just mentioned is because you do not look into nutrition. Your skin is as a reflection of what you put into your mouth. Okay, so for that I'm going to recommend the foods that you're supposed to eat that would help you to do what? Get rid of your white patches today, like ASAP, to help to hasten up the process. Okay, so the very first thing I want to tell you is something that you don't even have to pay money to do. Okay, this one is very cheap, anybody can do it, which is you getting the vitamin D from sun. Okay, remember that I said that the deficiency of vitamin D is part of the cause of white patches or white dots on our skin. So that early morning sun that comes out, if you receive it for at least 10 to 20 minutes, you're already getting the natural vitamin D from the sun. Remember, early morning, not when you come out by 11 or you come out by 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. You will not be like Amarachi Favy said that we should come out and receive sun. That's what I'm talking about, though. Please, if you're coming out by 11, 12, 1, you are automatically damaging your skin. Okay, that particular kind of sun can damage your skin and cause you to have more white patches. So please, it is the sun that comes out very early in the morning. Once the sun is about to come out, you also come out and receive the sun at least for 20 minutes. That way you are getting the natural vitamin D, okay, that will be stored in your skin, and it also helps to make the white patches to go away. So this is the cheapest vitamin D that you can get that would help you to get rid of your white patches. When it comes to the foods that you can eat, okay, foods that you can find anywhere, even if you're in Nigeria or outside Nigeria, are foods that are rich in vitamin D, which is number one, catfish. If you can lay your hands on catfish, catfish contains vitamin D3, okay, that is very good when it comes to helping to get rid of your white patches on your skin. You can also eat eggs, okay, especially the yolk. The yolk is actually very rich in vitamin D, but when you're eating eggs, you don't have to only eat the yolk alone, so eat everything, okay. So once you consume good eggs, okay, good eggs, make sure that you're consuming good eggs, because a lot of eggs can be bad. Okay, consume good eggs and you would notice that your skin will take a new turn. Another food that you can also eat that can make you to have that vitamin D3 that we're talking about, that can help you to get rid of your white patch, are livers. Okay, you can eat livers of either goat, cow, or fowl, that's chicken. Okay, you can either eat any of their livers and it will be very good because it is rich in vitamin D. You can also eat red meat from either goats or cow. Also, another class of food, okay, are your dairy products. And when it comes to that dairy products, I would love you to take a lot of milk and also take yogurt. Milk and yogurt are fortified with vitamin D. You can check the pack of your milk at home. If you have any milk at home, you can go through the ingredient list and you would notice that these milks that we buy, okay, are fortified with vitamin D3, okay, and they would help you to have vitamin D in your system so that the white patches can go away with time. I don't know if you're understanding my point. The next food that you can eat that contains vitamin D are stockfish and dry fish. So in Igbo land, we call it okporoko or azopo, okay? And this is just stockfish and dry fish. I hope that we know all this. So when you are cooking your soups, when you are cooking your foods, try and try to incorporate these fishes that I'm talking about, the oboroko and azobo, that is the stockfish and the dry fish, because they are rich in vitamin D. Do you understand? You're going to be noticing a huge difference, especially if you're eating right, okay? You're eating right and then you're using the right product. The next thing I want to tell you is that you can also get supplements that are infused with vitamin D or vitamin D3, as the case might be. But I would advise that you also eat right even while you are taking your supplements. When you see a skin that eats right, you will know. Like, there is no how you will not know, okay? So I would advise that you eat right, because your skin is as a reflection of what you put into your mouth. In fact, when it comes to skincare, what most people don't know that I'm going to tell you is that your skin, okay, is made up of 60% of what you eat. 60% of what you eat. So I would advise that you eat right so that your skin will glow. Then the remaining 30% can come from your skincare, and then the 10% will now come from your lifestyle. So you see, your food, your diet, your nutrition plays a huge role when it comes to getting rid of this particular skin concern, and even other skin concerns that I've talked about in this video. If you have been following me, you should know that once I recommend products, I also recommend what you would eat, because these things has to start happening from the inside, okay? It has to start working from the inside to the outside. Remember to eat right. Eat right, okay? So the tips I'm going to be dropping for you in this video that would help to fasten this particular result that we're talking about and we're hoping to achieve is that you're going to do what? Use good products. Use the products that are infused with retinol. Eat right, okay? You have seen the foods that you're supposed to eat. Go ahead to get them today and incorporate it into your diet, and you will notice that your skin will take a good turn. The next thing I want you to do is for you to stay moisturized. Moisturize your skin. Get hydrating products that you are going to be using on the days that you're not going to use your retinol infused product, because these retinol products are not products that you should use every day. At least you should use them 3 times in a week and only at night. So while you're not using it, you can get mild products like Dove E45 that will just help to do what? Lock in moisture on your skin. The next thing I want you to do for me is you're going to be staying hydrated from the inside. Take water, take fresh juice, take smoothies. These things would help to keep your skin what? Hydrated. But most importantly, take water. Take water. Do not joke with water, so that your skin will be hydrated from the inside. The last point that can help you to get rid of this white patch that we're talking about today is for you to actually stay protected from the harmful UV rays. And for you to do that, you need a good sunscreen from either the Bio UV, the Skin Aqua, or the Nivea. Any of these sunscreens that you can get can help you to stay protected from the harmful UV ray, so that the sun will not go ahead to give you white patches. If you have one particular point of the video, if you are struggling with this particular skin concern, please do all the things I said in this video, and this will be a story of the old. If you know that one person that is suffering from white patch, please share this video to such persons. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I drop a new video here on YouTube. And also remember to like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me that one thing that you learned from this video that can help you to get rid of your white patch. I can't wait for you to drop your testimonies in the comment section telling me how this routine worked for you and how this video helped you to get rid of your white patch, okay? And until next time, my love, stay glowy, get rid of that white patch today, and bye.